Welcome to another lesson from Youngblood's new album, Weird. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Acting Like That. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for lessons from this artist. Enjoy! So the verse is made up of 4 chords, the first of which is a E flat major chord. So for this, you're going to bar the 6th fret from the A string with your pointer finger, and you're also going to bar the D, G, and B strings on the 8th fret. Next is a B flat major chord. So you're going to bar the 6th fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 8th fret of the A string, your pinky finger on the 8th fret of the D string, and your middle finger on the 7th fret of the G string. Next is a D minor chord. So you're going to bar the 5th fret from the A string with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 7th fret of the D string, your pinky finger on the 7th fret of the G string, and your middle finger on the 6th fret of the B string. And then last is a G minor chord. So you're going to bar the 3rd fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 5th fret of the A string and your pinky finger on the 5th fret of the D string. And you're going to play these chords while palm muting, and all put together it sounds like this. Now the lead during the verse. This starts on the 10th fret of the high E string, then 11th fret B string, 10th fret B string, 11th fret B string. And it repeats, and all put together it sounds like this. Now the pre-chorus. The pre-chorus uses the same chords as the verse, but with a different strumming pattern. It sounds like this. Now the chorus. The chorus uses the same chords as the verse and pre-chorus. But we're not going to be palm muting, and all put together it sounds like this. Now the last part I want to show you is the bridge. It starts on a C minor chord. So for this, you're going to bar the 3rd fret from the A string with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 5th fret of the D string, your pinky finger on the 5th fret of the G string, and your middle finger on the 4th fret of the B string. Then we're going to go to the E flat major chord, which we already learned. And then the B flat major chord, which we also learned already. And all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for Acting Like That. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. And subscribe for more from this artist. Thanks.